Discover the ultimate kitchen companion, the blender. From whipping up creamy smoothies to crushing ice for refreshing drinks, blenders are versatile tools that streamline your culinary adventures. With powerful motors and innovative designs, blenders make meal preparation a breeze, delivering delicious results every time. There are many products available to choose blender, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blender from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for Shakes and Smoothies. Blend on the go. Enjoy fresh smoothies and shakes anywhere. Experience the convenience of blending your favorite fruits into delicious smoothies and shakes with our portable 14 ounces BPA-free travel jar. Designed for busy lifestyles, our personal blender comes with a travel lid, transforming into a handy to-go cup that fits perfectly in most car cup holders. Unleash powerful blending performance. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, our blender effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens for smooth and nutrient-rich drinks. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie or protein-packed shake, our blender ensures you get the perfect consistency every time. Effortless cleanup. Say goodbye to tedious cleanup sessions. Our blender's blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your favorite drinks. Compact and versatile design. With its compact size, our personal blender is ideal for any space, whether it's at home, in the office, or during travel. Perfect for small dorms and apartments, it seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle, providing you with nutritious drinks wherever you go. Easy one-touch blending. Enjoy the simplicity of one-touch blending. Just press the button, and within seconds, you'll have a variety of icy drinks ready to enjoy. Number 2. Magic Bullet Blender. Experience effortless blending and mixing with the Magic Bullet. The Magic Bullet is your ultimate kitchen companion, allowing you to blend, mix, and chop your favorite foods in a matter of seconds. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and toss the cups in the dishwasher's top rack. Powered by a high-torque 250-watt motor, this versatile machine opens up a world of culinary possibilities. From sauces and dips to drinks and snacks, there's no limit to what you can create with the Magic Bullet. Included in the set are essentials for your blending journey: a 250W motor base, a cross-blade tall and short cups, a party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a handy 10-second recipe guide. Crafted from stainless steel, the cross blade ensures durability, while the cups are made from super durable, BPA-free materials. Cleanup is a breeze, ensuring you spend more time enjoying your creations and less time scrubbing. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Magic Bullet is not just a kitchen appliance, it's your ticket to culinary convenience and creativity. Say hello to hassle-free cooking and delicious results every time. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. Experience unrivaled blending power. Unleash the full potential of your culinary creations with our smoothie blender. Boasting a formidable 700 watts of peak blending power and robust stainless steel ice saber blades. From smoothies and protein shakes to frozen drinks, this blender provides the muscle you need to achieve perfect results every time. Achieve unparalleled smoothness utilizing our patented wave action system. This blender ensures ultra-smooth results with every blend. As you mix, ingredients are expertly propelled down into the blades and circulated around the jar, effortlessly pulverizing even the toughest foods with ease. Serve with precision. Say goodbye to spills and drips. Our electric blender features a convenient spout, allowing you to pour contents into your glass with precision and without any mess, making serving a breeze. Effortless cleanup. Cleaning up is a breeze with our dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid, and blades. With a generous 40-ounce capacity, the glass jar makes blending multiple servings a cinch, ensuring you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. Maximum versatility. Equipped with 12 blending functions controlled by 5 simple buttons on the user-friendly control panel, this multifunction blender offers maximum versatility. Number 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. Experience ultimate versatility with 14 blending functions and a robust 700 watts of peak power. This kitchen blender empowers you to effortlessly mix, puree, and crush ice. From whipping to grinding, stirring to pureeing, it's your all-in-one solution for culinary creativity. Consistent smoothness guaranteed. Thanks to the patented wave action system, This blender ensures consistently smooth results without the need for stirring. The innovative design continuously pulls the mixture down into the blades, delivering silky smooth textures every time. Unmatched ice crushing power featuring patented ice saber blades. This blender is engineered for powerful ice crushing performance. Tested by crushing 2 tons of ice. It's your go-to appliance for shakes and smoothies that are perfectly blended. Effortless cleanup and durability. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, including the 40 ounces jar, lid, and blades. Built to last and life tested to blend 8,000 drinks. This blender is a durable kitchen essential. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Unleash unrivaled power harness. The immense power of 1100-watt motor that effortlessly pulverizes ice to snow within seconds, delivering creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. With special features including manual control, this blender puts you in charge of your culinary creations. Professional performance. Unmatched versatility. Experience professional-grade performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse function, and a single-serve option for convenient to-go cups. Crafted with stainless steel for durability, this blender ensures long-lasting use. Generous capacity for every occasion. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for whipping up creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family, or when entertaining guests. Additionally, its 64 ounces max liquid capacity ensures ample servings every time. Effortless food processing. Achieve precise chopping and blending with ease. This blender effortlessly minces, chops, grinds, and blends a variety of ingredients, making meal preparations and recipe creations a breeze. Convenient on-the-go enjoyment. Blend directly in the 16-ounce. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.